Let's go through two different ways on how you can easily turn off or disable the vanish mode in your Instagram messages. Vanish mode on Instagram is a feature that allows users to send messages that disappear after they've been viewed and the chat is closed. It's designed for more private conversations where you don't want the messages to stay in your chat history. But if you want to turn off vanish mode, then all you have to do is to open your Instagram app and then go over to your Instagram DMs. If a conversation has vanish mode enabled, you will see this little icon indicating that vanish mode is on. When I open the chat, you're gonna see a little vanish mode text at the very top of the screen, and it says that seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. The first way is to click on the person's name, which will open this page. From here, you want to select the privacy and safety option. And then from here, simply disable the vanish mode toggle right here. This is the first way on how you can turn off vanish mode. But there is an easier way. I'll go back to the conversation in which I want to disable vanish mode, and all I have to do in order to turn this off is to swipe with my finger from the bottom to the top of the conversation. And you'll see this little text appear that says swipe up to turn off vanish mode. I'll do just that, and you will see that we had successfully turned off vanish mode in our Instagram chats, and vice versa. If you want to enable vanish mode in order to send a couple of private messages, you can swipe up one more time, and you can then see that we've turned on vanish mode in our Instagram DMs. But yeah, those are two ways on how you can quickly turn off vanish mode on Instagram. I have an Instagram tutorial playlist in the description of this video, so you can check it out if you need more helpful Instagram tutorials, and I will see you soon.